Guys, welcome back. This is another section of earning some free crypto. We already missed out on the other ones. Well, you guys did, not me. So we're going to hit earn HNT. This is for the Helium project. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you dislike it, smash that dislike button. And if you guys like the channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. And let's move along. All right, so Helium. This is basically working on proof of connectivity. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and watch a video and then take the quiz. Let's get the crypto. Alright, so let's start on this. Verify we're not a human. Or wait, I'm sorry. Verify we are human. I agree with the terms and conditions. Email. 8-digit Binance, and total supply. The total supply is right now at, wait, no, it's probably changed a bit. Let's see. Total supply is 59, this much. Actually, no, I'm sorry, jeez. My bad. Total supply is that. What type of devices connect to the People's Network? A little bit of Internet of Things. Oh, wait, why did I hit next? How many devices are expected in the next 5 years? Oh, yeah, easily 75 billion. What is the wireless technology Hotspots use to provide coverage? Oh, no, I didn't do Wi-Fi. What did I do? Sorry, guys. LongFi. What is the unit of exchange Hotspots earn? Come on, guys. What are we doing? We're getting HNT. HNT. Which of the below is not a way Hotspot earns HNT? You guys tell me. Okay, good choice, guys. If you guys didn't see it, it's providing Wi-Fi connectivity to nearby phones and computers. What is Helium's novel proof algorithm that is used to verify hotspots are real and located where they say they are? Come on, guys. I already talked about this. Proof of coverage. What is the unit of exchange IoT devices used to pay for connectivity? Come on. You guys can do it. Come on. Data credits. Alright, well, thanks for taking the quiz. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit that subscribe button, or if you like the video, hit the like button. If not, smash that dislike button if you didn't like the video. Thanks for watching, guys.